Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So my name is Aina and I'm from class 4 Cambridge and I'm studying in MRSM Tun Dr. Ismail Pontian Johor. So we're here to study about operation on set. In operation of sets, we have to know 4 important things. The first is intersection of set, the second is union of set, the third is combined operation of intersection and union of set. The fourth is problem solving. In intersection of sets, we have to know about the symbol used for this intersection of sets. So the symbol used looks like N, and it is easy for us to remember intersection and N. And after that, we need to know about which part should we shade it or should we color when there is a question involve intersection of sets. So for example, the question asks us to color P intersect with Q. So the part that we need to color is this part. While if they ask P intersect with Q but it have complement, so which part should we color? So the part that we should color is other than the part that intersect, which is the outer part, and the middle part you don't have to color or shade it at all. Okay, next we're going to talk about union of sets. So in union of sets, the symbol used looks like U. So it is easier for us to remember when intersection of sets it looks like N, and if union of sets it looks like U. Okay, so for example, the first question asks us to draw union of set S and T. So remember, union means combination of the whole both part. So we need to color both part like that. Okay, so move on to the next question. They ask us to color the complement of set S and T, and then there is a universal set. So if it is a complement of set S union with T, we need to color other than S and T. So we need to color at the universal set, which is outside of the circle. Yeah, like that. Okay, so remember, if it's complement, we need to go opposite with the question 1 first. Okay, next, combination of operation, which will combine union and intersection in one question. So for example, in example 3, they ask us to shade the part that P union with Q and intersect with R. So first thing, you need to do the board mass, which is you need to have your priority to the bracket first. So the first in bracket say that P union with Q. So P union with Q. So we shade the line, we shade the part that have P union with Q. So it is here, and take a look at the further question, which they ask us to intersect with it with R. So when we intersect with R, we need to see which part of the shaded part is intersect with R. So it will be this part. So the part that answered is the double shaded part. So please take note, if you want to do this double shaded part, highlight it a little bit so that your teacher won't get confused. So maybe you won't lose a mark. If they involve complementary, we need to have this universal set. So for example, P union with Q but complement and intersect with R. Okay, so if they said that P union with Q but complement, and it is in bracket at first, we need to take a look for P union with Q, but we need to shade other than the part that they want. So is it only this part? No, it's actually this whole part. Okay, if there is an universal set, you need to shade that universal part. And after that, they said that the part that intersect with R. So the answer is here. like moons. And finally, we have to know about the problem solving, which usually this problem solving have at the end of the topics. There's a strategy on how you want to answer this problem solving question. So the first one is understanding the problem. In understanding the problem, you need to list all the information from the question. Second, planning a strategy. In planning a strategy, you have to determine or find the universal set, the first set or A, the second set of B, and then find the complement of the set, which is complement of the first set, complement of the second set, and if complement of the third set. Okay, after that you have to draw a Venn diagram to show the data that you have find from the question. After that, you have to implement the strategy, which you have to make a much more prettier, much more better for answering the question. So we have implement the strategy, we have to make a conclusion. Usually this conclusion is based on the question given. Okay, so let's go to example 4. This is example 4, which is example of problem solving question. Usually problem solving is a question that relates to our daily life, and usually an example of our daily life will be a KBAT question or HOT, higher order thinking skills. I think you don't need to be afraid of any HOT question because the question is not that hard. You just need to think more rationally so that it can be more human brain, I guess. Okay, so let's move to this question. So a question said that a total of 26 pupils participate in a scouting program at the riverbank. The activities are kayaking and fishing. The question is, what is the total number of pupils who participate in the activities of the program? So first we need to understanding the problem, which we need to list down all the information given from the question. So the first information we got is a total of 26 people participate in scouting program. Second, the activities are kayaking and fishing. That means there must be only 2 sets, which is the first set is kayaking, the second set is fishing. So the next information we got here is 18 people participate in kayaking, 15 people participate in fishing, and 9 people participate in both activities. So as I said, first understanding the problem. Second, planning a strategy. You have to find the universal set. Universal set is 26. The first set is kayaking, so I label it as a K. So kayaking, there is 18, and there is 15 people participate in fishing, and then fishing, so I label it as F. So there's 15 people participate in fishing. So first, we need to draw it. So as I said, we have 2. So we need a universal set. So this is my universal set. It's kind of look, but it's okay. So this is my universal set, and this is my kayaking, and this is my fishing. Okay. So in kayaking there is 18 students. So if they said that 9 people participate in both activities, right? So there must be 9 here. So 9. So we want to find the kayaking only. So we have to 18 minus 9, and we get kayaking only, which is 9. So here 9 people. And then we looking for the fishing only, which is we're going to have 15 minus 9, 6. So here is the 6. Okay. So we already know that the kayaking only is 9. the students that involved in both activities are 9. Students that involved in fishing only is 6. And the total of the students is 26. We need to minus. So 26 minus 9 minus 9 minus 6. And we'll get 2. Okay? So the answer of the total people who do not joining any activities are 2 people. So we're going to write it 2 outside of the set, okay? So the total people who participate in the activities of the program are actually 24 people. Answer. Because the question asks what is the total number of students who participate in the program. So we need to find the students who are quite function. No, they participate in the program. Maybe these 2 students have a very critical thing or anything. We don't know. So how do we want to confirm? We have to add these 3 things. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. So this is implementing the strategy. And after that, we have to make a conclusion. So my conclusion is, yay! So we already got the answer. Are you okay with it? So I think that's all for operation of sets, because I think I already explained everything. The intersection of sets, the union of sets, the combined operation, and also problem solving. So I hope you guys can learn something from this video, and please do visit my IG and answer the question that I already put in my IG, so that I can have a quick survey of my sharing session. Okay, so please answer. There is some question, and there is 3 stages: easy, medium, and some kind of difficult, but not too difficult for you. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.